from a pack of 52 cards. 3 cards are drawn. 3 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability that they are a king, a queen, and a jack. Okay, so you have the basic understanding of pack of 52 cards. What are there in this 52 cards? You will have 4 colors. Okay, you will have 4 colors. That is one thing. 2 red colors and 2 black colors, I think, and there are different symbols, diamond symbol, heart symbol, like that. Okay, 4 categories, 4 colors are there. Four categories we will take. Okay, in each thing we will have 1, 2, 3 up to 9. After 9 we will have 4 figures or 4 designs. Okay, king, queen, something like that. 4 cards will be excess. Totally 13 cards will be there. Okay, one is king, queen, then another A letter will be there, and one more letter will be there. Okay, so total 13 cards. 13 cards. Second category 13 cards. Third category 13 cards. Fourth category 13 cards. Okay, in every category there will be a king, a queen, jack. From the question I got this A is jack, I think, I don't know. So A means as or jack, something like that. I will take jack here, and one more card is there if it is A. Okay. Like that you will have 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 1, 2, 3 up to 9, and followed by 4 cards, followed by 4 cards, like that. 13 cards are there. Okay. So totally 4 categories, all of them put together, it is a pack of 52 cards. Now from this 52 pack, you will have kings 4. Okay, kings will be 4, queen will be 4, jack also 4. Okay, kings 4 cards, kings will be there out of 52 cards, and then queen also 4 cards will be there in the total 52 cards. Jack also 4 cards will be there from the pack of 52 cards. Okay, now what is the probability? 3 cards are drawn. Okay, from the 52 cards, 3 cards are drawn. Probability is nothing but favorable events by total events. Favorable events by total events. Okay, favorable is nothing but the 3 cards should be a king, queen, and jack. Okay, a king, queen, and jack. This is the probability of the 3 cards drawn. In general, from the total events, 52 cards, you can draw any 3 cards. You can draw any 3 cards. Okay, but coming to the king, queen, and jack, you are drawing one card. Okay, a king, a queen, and a jack. Okay, that is the favorable events. That is the favorable events as per the question. So from the king, from 4 cards, 1 card is drawn from the king, plus second is from the queen, 4 cards, 1 card is drawn, and from the third one, from the 4 jack, 1 card is drawn. Okay, so we will see, we will check out whether this is okay. Multiplication or just I want to check whether it is multiplication. Okay, it is multiplication, not addition. It is just the multiplication I have to do, because they are independent events. They are independent events. If something like they are not mutually exclusive, if such words are given in the question, you have to go with addition. Other than that, they are independent events. Okay, so it is like probability of A intersection B intersection C is nothing but probability of A into probability of B into probability of C. This is what we are doing. So 4C1, 4C1, 4C1. And we know that NCR is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That is what we are going to do for the denominator. So numerator 4C1, it is 4, value is 4, and again it is 4, again it is 4, divided by 52C3 means 52 factorial. Okay, 52 factorial divided by 52 minus 3, which is 49 factorial into 3 factorial. This is the denominator value. This is the denominator value. So further simplification we will try. Further simplification. Numerator we are having 16 into 4 is 64. Okay, but you cannot confine with the answer. Let us try completely. And denominator, what you can do, 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 factorial, you can write here, divided by 49 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, so factorial means, n factorial means you have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into like that up to n. You have to multiply up to n. This is a factorial. So what I am doing, 52 factorial means I am just multiplying 52, 51, 50, then 49 up to 1. Okay, so up to 1, that 49 I am writing as 49 factorial. If for simplification purpose, because in the denominator you are having 49 factorial by 49 factorial. So in the next step, how we can proceed for 64 divided by 52 into 51 into 50, and that 3 factorial can be taken to numerator, which is 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Next, what I will do, I can cancel this. This is 25, and here 3 1s are 3 17s are 51, I think. 17s are 51. Okay. So what we are left out with is 64 divided by 52 into 17 into 21. 52 into 17 into 21. Okay. So final answer I will write over here. Final answer, anyway numerator is 64, and further simplification also possible. So we cannot confine with 64, and just I will multiply and try what is the final answer. This is 25, what I should write. This is 25. Okay. 25 into 17. 35, 3, 17, 5, and 2, 5, 12, 1, 4, 25. Into 52, if I multiply, this is 10, 5, 8, and then 25, 2, 12, 1, 21, and 0. Here I have to take 10, 1, 11. Okay. 0, 10, 1, again 11, 2, 2. Okay. So what I have is 64 divided by 2 to 100. 64 divided by 2 to 100. If I cancel with 2, this is 32. Here it becomes 11. No, I can cancel with 4. I can cancel with 4. I can take it 16. Denominator, if I cancel with 4, because last 2 digits are zeros, it is getting cancelled with 4. It becomes 5. And then again 21 means 5. And 2 times, 5 times. Okay, 55, 25. 55, 25. Okay, 16 divided by 55, 25 is the answer. How I got it is from the previous step. So here the simplification I am doing. Here the simplification I have done. From this step, if you simplify, the answer is 16 by 55, 25. 16 by 55, 25 is the answer. Okay. So first we have understood. I will stop with this. First we have understood the pack of cards, then we calculate. 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the 2 dice is 8? 2 dice are thrown. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers on the 2 dice, it is 8? Okay. The thing is, we know dice means it will be a cubical structure. By looking at the laptop for a longer time during the lockdown, my eyesight has gone up. I'm not able to see as earlier I was doing. Cursor is not visible. Okay, so cube means it will be something like this. 6 faces. 6 faces. Each face one number will be written. Each face one number will be written. Okay, 6 faces are there. And we know that the numbers are 1 to 6. We know that the numbers are 1 to 6. Okay. And if you see, 2 such dice are thrown. 2 such dice are thrown. Anything may appear when you throw the dice, anything may appear on the top of the face. So each one is having a probability of 1 by 6. Okay. So each one is having a probability of 1 by 6. Now two dice are there. Two dice are there. First dice 6 faces. Second dice also 6 faces. And the total number of chances is 6 into 6, which is 36. Okay, 36 possibilities are there. So here they are asking the sum of the dice, sum of the values on the faces of two dice, it must be 8. Okay, in the first dice we are having faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, second dice also we are having 1 to 6. Okay, when the sum will be 8, so in the first dice, dice 1, dice 2. Okay, in the first dice 5, second dice 3, sum will be 8. Okay, in the first dice 3, second dice 5, sum will be 8. First one 4, second one also 4, sum will be 8. First one 6, second one 2, sum will be 8. First one 2, second one 6, sum will be 8. Okay, so these are the possible chances where sum equal to 8. Where sum equal to 8, the face of the two dice, the values I have written here. Okay, so total chances are 36. Total chances are 36, and the possible chance favorable. Okay, so probability is nothing but favorable events by total events. Favorable events by total events. Favorable events is nothing but to get a sum 8. 5 chances are there. So total events are nothing but 6 into 6. Total events are nothing but 6 into 6. So the answer is 5 by 1 minute. The answer value should be visible. So that's the reason. Answer value should be visible. 5 by 6 is the answer. 5 by 6 is the answer. Favorable events by total events. Favorable events are 5. Total events are 36. So 5 by 6 is the probability when you throw two dice and the sum of the faces equal to 8 is the condition.